Okay, so here we are. I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows. Here I am. I've done my slip stitch, and now I do chain 1, cut the yarn, pull it through and pull it tight. And actually the seam here has been quite successful because it's sort of sitting here, which means it's really hard to see, which is always good when we're working with a seam. So now we're going to weave in the ends of the yarn. There we go. We're going to go in here like this. On the inside. There we go. Oh. Pull it through. Cut it off. And remember, there's always a second bit, so you might have to go a bit deeper. If you want to weave this in at the beginning, you can as well, after you've done just a couple of rounds. Sometimes that's easier, particularly if the stockings are smaller. It's harder to evert them. There we go, so we can just go up here, up along there. There we go. Chop it off. And here we are, so we're almost finished. Now we just have to do the final top bit here. In a different colour, we do 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, oh actually 4 rows, I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you can do 4, you can do 5, whatever you think looks nice. And then we'll do the loop, and then we're all done. So you've already seen how to attach your yarn, but I'll just show you once more. Slip knot, take it off the hook. Again, our seam wants to be relatively invisible, so actually this isn't a bad place for it. I might go in, don't want to look exactly where it is, maybe here. But really it makes no difference where you attach it. Make sure the knot is on the other side. Oh, it's just pulling through. Chain 1, pull the knot back. And then remember, we go back into the same stitch to work a single crochet. And just keep pulling that knot back. There. And all the way around for 22 single crochets in total, and do 4 or 5 rows, or whatever you think looks pretty. Even 1 row might look quite nice. There are no hard and fast rules.